Dear friend, good news and congratulations. After hard work and a long wait, I hit the #1 new release for the paperback version of my book, Creating Wealth, The Secret Code of Success in the AI Age and Timeless Wisdom, a periodical book for social media and content creators, a transformational guide to increase your income, influence, and impact. The #1 new release categories are online internet searching, podcasts, and webcasts. Without your encouragement, support, and understanding, this achievement would not have been possible. Also, I have posted the results on YouTube posts, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Welcome to share our book and our International Spring Impression event on social media. Thank you so much for your support.